Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI for image generation. First, ensure you are logged into your Google account and navigate to the Gemini interface. Look for the option to generate images, usually found within the main chat window or a dedicated creative section. You'll then enter your descriptive text, known as a prompt, to guide the AI in creating your desired image. It's quite straightforward to begin. To get the best images, your prompts need to be clear and detailed. Think about what you want to see: colors, objects, and even the mood. Adding artistic styles like watercolor or digital art significantly influences the output. Don't forget to specify the image's orientation, such as a square or a wide 16:9 ratio, to match your vision perfectly. For more control, try using negative prompts to tell Gemini what asterisk not asterisk to include, like no blurry background. Don't be afraid to generate multiple versions and refine your prompt based on the results. Small adjustments, like changing a dog to a fluffy golden retriever puppy, can make a huge difference in the final image's quality and accuracy. After generating your images, take a moment to review them. You can usually download or save your preferred creations directly from the interface. Feel free to share your unique images with friends or integrate them into your personal and creative projects. Remember, the more you experiment, the better you'll become at guiding the AI. Also, for some great deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.